Tired of endless fees and complicated transfers? Let's ditch the frustration and show you the super simple way to move money directly from PayPal to Binance. First, log into your PayPal account. Make sure you have sufficient balance to cover the amount you intend to send to Binance, plus any potential PayPal fees. Next, you need to link a debit card to your PayPal account. If you haven't already, find the link a bank or card option, usually in your wallet. Click on it and choose Link a Debit Card. Carefully enter your debit card details, including your card number, expiry date, and security code. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Once you're sure it's correct, click Link Card. Now, head over to your Binance account and log in. Navigate to your Fiat and Spot wallet. This is where you'll deposit your funds. In your Fiat and Spot wallet, click on the Deposit button. You'll need to select the currency you want to deposit. Choose a common cryptocurrency like USDT, which is relatively stable. Choose the cryptocurrency like USDT and the network. Important: select a widely supported network like Turk20 for lower fees and faster transactions. Make sure you copy the deposit address accurately. Copy the generated deposit address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so double-check it against your Binance account. Errors here mean lost funds. Go back to PayPal and click Send or Send Money. Paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the recipient field, as if you're sending money to an email address. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Make absolutely sure you've selected your linked debit card as the funding source. Review all details before confirming. Confirm the payment on PayPal. Now, be patient. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the transaction to process and appear in your Binance wallet. Keep an eye on your Binance account, and there you have it. Easy, safe, and quick.